Make money with me. So what if I showed you a simple money secret that has intentionally been kept away from many people and you don't know about it? It might sound strange. It may even be too easy, but it's true and it has been tested by many. Do you even know that the stock market is the biggest cash machine of all time? I am telling you, it is. I have tried it, it's working, it works, and the question is, how do some people get rich leveraging the stock market? Do you want to know the answer? Knowledge and money rules. They follow certain money rules. Hi everyone. Hey my YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we talk about how to save money, how to spend money, and especially how to make money. How do we multiply our money? My name is Julia, and in today's video, I'm going to reveal to you how you could have made money with your phone, even while at your 9-to-5 job, or even if you are even yet to get a job or you are just running your own side business. This particular week that ended, if only you had the information. So, do you know that it's not always about making more money? It is really about sending your money to work. So there is a simple strategy that we use in our community. I hope you know that we have a money circle community where we take you by the hand and show you how to make money, how to spend your money, and how to save your money. So in the community, we earn from the stock market. We send some of our money to work for us passively. You must master the skill of protecting your money. At the same time, master how to make your money, make more money for you. Am I making sense? Today's video is going to be so loaded. You'll be so amazed. Don't even think of switching off. Wait till the end. You'll be amazed at how much dollars you missed just this week. There is something I want you to know. In the community, we teach you not to chase money. We study it. We let the money come to us. We sort of attract the money. We choose specific sectors. We choose specific prices. And this week, we had an amazing set of results. Oh my God. My dear, leveraging the stock market movement and making money. So class is in session. Alright, class is in session. So do me a favor before we continue. Have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not, click on the subscribe button, like this video. It helps this channel. Let's go ahead. Check this out. Can you see these charts? Can you see this chart? Alright, yeah, I told you that there are tools that we use. I love to use Yahoo Finance. I love to use investing.com. I love to use TradingView, and of course the brokerage apps that we use. We use Trove, we use Bamboo, and some other brokerage apps that are available. All right, so take a look at this stock. This stock is called Affirm. We gave a call out on this stock when it was at 14.80. It actually dropped down to 14.60, and guess what happened in this same week? This same stock rose up to 20.5. That was the point where we sold it because that was our take profit. Do you know what happened? This same stock ran to 23 as at Friday. Can you believe it? So you can imagine 30 shares of the stock giving you instant $100 in pure profit. Instant dollars. So one thing I teach in the class is you don't have to be greedy, because every single day, every single week, the market presents opportunities. So let me show you some other stocks that did so well this week. The second stock I'm going to show you is called XOXL. It's an ETF in the region. They track the semiconductors group of stocks. All right, so this particular stock, we took it in at $15. On Friday, this stock touched $18. Oh my God, this is an easy lazy man strategy to earn money. There are other stocks I'm going to show you. We have the AMD, we have the Palantir. This Palantir did wonders too. We gave a call out at $15. This stock rose to $18. He actually touched 18.45. Stocks are preparing to take off. And if you know what is good for you, you better wait for me to give you the ones that will be making moves next week. But what do? When we make money from these stocks, we don't chop all of them, okay? What we do is that we send those profits we have made to go and make more money for us. How do? We send it to the dividends. So I'm going to do another video where I will talk about dividends and show you how you can pick dividend companies. So I will use one of the stocks that we actually push our money into, and I will show you how we use that to make some money. We don't guess, we don't gamble, we simply react to the market. So we simply follow the direction of the market. Like I said before, we wait for the market to come to us. They come to our buy zone, and when they come, we buy and we sell it when it gets to our take profit zone. I hope you're learning a lot. The honest truth is that financial education is very important for everyone. As a doctor, as an engineer, as a lawyer, whatever field you are, you need extra money. It opens your mind to get the right information. Actually, we teach life-changing skill that you can use to make money anywhere you are. All you need to do is just to be in the right community, the right mentor, the right teacher, and in the right place. You put these companies on your watch list. So if you have a clue of the stock market and you have the apps, you can actually leverage on one or two free ones I'm going to call out that you're going to be watching out for in this week that we're entering, so that you can actually play them and make some money. And when you do come back and tell me thank you for giving you this information. So I hope you learned a lot today. The question is, did you learn? Did you see how $100 just came into some people's pockets? Understand that some people made more than $100, and you need to know how we do these things. And in the next video, I'm going to show you proof of some people who actually made money in the community. I hope you are going to stick around. We have so many videos. If you like this one, if you enjoyed it, please do us a favor, like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, drop a comment. If there is anything you want to learn more, you want me to talk about more, please drop it in the comment section. And if you love and enjoy this video, check out the next video. Take care of you.